All right, we are hanging out on the patio with Sunshine and Dave Stahl.
Yes, we are. And boy, I tell you what, there is going to be, if you're an off-roader, this guy is going to put on the largest off-road event in San Diego County, maybe even LA.
Absolutely, Dave. Yeah, thanks for having us down. Off-road nights, Dirt Lifestyle Expo coming to Temecula, June 27th. It's going to be absolutely epic this year, the biggest. We're going to have over 100 off-road vendors, the best industry, the best brands, best companies, over 100 vehicles, the most we've ever had in our off-road car show. Live music, freestyle motocross by the Fitz Army. We got ice cream. We got something for the whole family. It's going to be absolutely insane. You don't want to miss it, June 27th.
Is it going to be a one-day?
It's a one-day show this year. We did it last year at Del Mar, 2 days, but we're doing a one-day banger, just bringing it all together, bringing the off-road community, the industry together for just great times, good vibes, and everything off-road for sure.
And since I did forget, your name is?
Rat Salt, yeah, in the house.
So what time is it going to start?
It's going to start 1 to 9 p.m. You know, it's a little warmer this summer. Hopefully we're going to have a cool day, but 1 to 9 p.m. And once again, we're going to have freestyle throughout the day, live music, non-stop action, big drivers, autographs. And like I said, the deals, we got the biggest players in the game. Everybody in the industry will be there. If you want to just buy a t-shirt, full suspension packages, tires from some of the best, and lots of great people back. I mean, I got some great people here talking about good people.
Let's go talk to these guys. And he's got something that if you decide you want to do a little ride and drive, you can hook him up.
That's right. We're here with Brenthal Industries, and we do a ride and drive program where you can actually take one of these trucks to Johnson Valley and drive it yourself.
Hang on, folks. I mean, and this thing is a purpose-built trophy truck.
That's correct. It's a 6100 Spec truck. It's 525 horsepower, and it will scoot.
Yeah, and one of these things with the ride and drive, it's exactly what it is. You come, you drive it, you leave. You guys do everything else.
Absolutely. It's a white glove. We provide a professional coach. We walk you through the intricacies, and we acclimate you to the truck, and you could be going 100 miles an hour across the desert.
Wow, man, oh man. Then we got this gentleman over here who doesn't like Fords and Chevys. He's more of a Dodge diesel guy.
Big Dodge diesel, yep. So this is my 93 Dodge D250. It's a whole tube chassis. So those are trucks for racing. This is what they would use for pre-running. So it's got a little more comfort in it. It's got a similar suspension, but it's got like AC, pressurized cab, Starlink, all those fun, nice creature comforts. So one of these trucks will be out there. This is like more what you'd call a pre-runner.
And I bet you can keep up with these guys.
We can get close. I mean, they're on a different level. They drive those trucks hard.
All right. So let's get over here. Again, when Hits, Runs, and Airs. When is it? Where is it? And what time is it?
June 27th, Promenade, Temecula. It's all going down. The Off-Road Nights Dirt Lifestyle Expo. Come get your specials on gear. Hang out with everybody. Fitz Army Freestyle, live music, stuff for the kids. Don't miss it. We'll see you guys in Temecula, June 27th.
All right.
Can't beat that with a stick.
No. Thanks, guys, for coming in. All right, we'll be right back.